Hello, I'm Dave Critchley. I'm the Executive Head Chef at L20 Restaurant in Liverpool, and today I'm here at L20 for our takeover night in the restaurant. On the menu tonight, we've got some real favourites from L20 and some of my favourite dishes that are on the menu at the moment. We've just hit the spring festival season for China, and so L20's menu tonight reflects that. There's several dishes off our L20 taster. L20 are a group of people I've known for a long time, to be honest. I've done bits and pieces with L20 before, so I recognise a lot of the faces in here. They've been up to our restaurant, they like what we're doing, and likewise, I think I've been here more often than most people. They're all eager to learn, they've all got some skills already. I think Anthony and the team here are doing a great job. Yeah, it's been a great experience, and I really enjoy working with L20.